my name is Munyendo. I am from Kenya. I am studying an LLM in Sustainable International Development at the University of Washington. So the most obvious that I would want to talk about is the rule of law and governance. And being a judicial officer in my country, I mean, that would be probably the core unit that I would want to really focus on, because it directly connects to the kind of work that we do, and that is to uphold the rule of law, to make sure that we sit there as an independent arbiter to make decisions that really reflect the laws of my country. So the other piece that I looked into is law as a tool for poverty alleviation. As I have mentioned, I have worked in the rural areas of my country. I have seen firsthand poverty, life poverty. 50% of Kenyans live below the poverty line. This is really, I don't know how to put it, but it's a sad state of affairs. And so it is very important for me, as I came out here, really to see ways in which to improve a situation in my country, studying law and seeing law as a tool to be used to alleviate poverty, so to speak. So that is why I selected courses that really would help me. And ideally, the Sustainable International Development as a whole would really focus on that area, because you are looking at development issues, you're looking at economy issues, and you're looking at how lawyers can come in and use their skills and knowledge to improve these areas. So those are the two main areas that I focused on. But again, I'd want to talk a little bit about indigenous communities and their rights, because looking at my LLM paper, I tried to focus on informal justice systems and looking just at how the rural people, the illiterate people, the poor people resolve their disputes, and when they do this, they do not use our court systems where I work. And so coming out here, I had a lot of experience. I have been able to talk to so many people and learn different ways in which you can try to engage with the informal justice systems, just to ensure that everybody gets a fair share of quality justice. Studying the Sustainable International Development, just from the name itself, it gives you the impression that you are going to study with people from very different countries. My class, we had about students from around 12 countries. I think that is just amazing, something that I have never experienced in my entire life. I have been able to learn so much from other people in my class. There is a lot of diversity. There is a lot of input that is brought in through the work experiences, because people come from different areas. The beauty about law is that there are very many avenues. We have attorneys in my class. We had human rights activists in my class. We had people in business and corporations in my class. We had prosecutors in my class. We had people who are not lawyers per se, but they had these different perspectives that they would bring to the class. So we have this cohort, a good mix and a blend of people coming from very diverse backgrounds, and it really enriched our discussions, the quality of education that I received. So I think that is a very important piece of just being in the SID program and being at the University of Washington. So that is what I felt as an individual that I benefited. But just looking back and probably analyzing the entire program, I would say that if everybody feels the way I feel as at now, I am very confident. I feel that I have the right combination of tools, the knowledge, the skills to go out there and make change. So if every year we have graduates coming out from this program and going to the different areas of this world with the knowledge that they have gained, surely this program is bringing change to the world. I have seen the great work that the alumni of this program have done in their countries. I have been inspired to do more, and I believe I had amazing classmates, and they had wonderful ideas and things that they want to go and implement back to in their countries. So just looking at that in a wholesome way, I know that every alumni that comes out of this program really is going out there to make a change. We are definitely putting our footprints out there in the world, having a mark in the development world. We are going out there to international organizations, to our governments, to our small communities, you know, just touching every layer of people and reaching out to the whole world. So I think that is the total impact I would see that we are doing globally, being an alumni from this program.